boys and girls. Today you're going to be doing centimeters into meters because we've been doing units with centimeters, right? So today you're going to be doing centimeters and meters. Okay? If you remember, last time we were doing inches. Last week we were doing inches, which is this unit of measurement over here, from here to here. And I had told you about, so that from here to here, that's an inch, okay? And I remember telling you that when you have 12 of those inches, it makes a foot, a whole ruler, right? And then I told you 3 rulers together, and you saw I had them taped together, made a yard. Well, today we're going to use the metric system, so you can't really change centimeters into feet. They're different systems. So today we're doing the centimeters, which is on the other side of the ruler, and it's from 1 centimeter is from here to here. That's 1 centimeter, and it's about this big. And I'm going to show you. If you look at it with my nail, it's about the size of my nail. So if you look at your nail, that's about the size of a centimeter, so much smaller than an inch. Okay, so that's 1 centimeter. Well, when you put 100 centimeters together, that's the abbreviation, you get 1 meter. Okay? And a meter, since we're not in school and I can't show you an actual meter stick, a meter stick is about the size of a yardstick, a little bit bigger. It's a little bit bigger than a yardstick. So it's about the size of 3 rulers, just a teensy bit bigger than that. All right? That way you can picture what 1 meter looks like, or 100 centimeters. Because if I make 100 of these little lines, I'm going to end up with a meter, okay? So then what happens if you have 200 centimeters? Then you have 2 meters. What happens when you have, now it's just a pattern, 300 centimeters? You have 3 meters. You have 400 centimeters. That's a lot of centimeters. Imagine 400 of these little lines, or 400 of my nails put together, well lined up. That's a lot. Well, then that equals, 400 centimeters equals, you guessed it, 4 meters. Is this not easy peasy lemon squeezy? How about, I'm going to go backwards now. What if I have 5 meters? Well, how many centimeters is that? Well, let's look. 1 was 100, 2 was 200, 3 meters was 300, 4 was 400. Yep, you're right. 500 centimeters. 6 meters. 600 centimeters. 7 meters equals 700 centimeters. 8 meters. I'm going to go to 10 meters, okay? Watch this. 800 centimeters. 9 meters equals 900 centimeters. And finally, I'm going to do 10 meters. Watch this. It's going to be really big. 1,000 centimeters. Remember 10 hundreds was 1,000. I'm going to give you a little clue to remember that centimeters is, to get to meters, is 100. Look at this part of the word centimeters right here, cent. Do you remember when we did money and you needed how many cents for $1? You needed 100 cents. Remember we talked about prefixes? And that's something you put at the beginning of the word to change the meaning of the word. And like if you see buy, it means 2. If you see try, it means 3. Well, anytime you see cent, that means 100. So that means if you have 1 meter, centimeter is 100 meters, right? And that is all, okay? So today on your work, basically you're gonna see that it's gonna tell you how many centimeters and you have to put it in meters. So if it says 500 centimeters, then it's 5 meters. If it says 8 meters, then you're going to switch it to 800 centimeters. And that's all it is today. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.